This one crocodile is just a general crocodile. It's just a general. That's my agent in the river. So if they work and put your destiny or something that will affect your life, and they put it in the river, I will work through this crocodile. So whatever I am, then if I know that your destiny, or that's why sometimes some people are there. You have a dream that you are in the sea or the river. Sometimes you have a dream, you'll be feeling cold. You wake up, maybe your fan or AC is cool. That's why it make you like that. Shadow.
Your shadow.
Your shadow. So if your shadow is in the river, that one they go create you and put your shadow in the river. Sometimes you have a dream, somebody is chasing you. By the end of it, you went and fall inside the river. Your shadow is in the river. That one there is better. When a witch is chasing you, by the end of it, you end up with river. Maybe somebody is chasing you, end up and go around to the swimming pool or a big river. Unknown place, you know where you are. Maybe you ever have that dream before. If you don't have it, that means that your shadow is not in the river. Those people, not everybody having that dream. But when you have a powerful dream, which or some people are chasing you where you don't know where you are, by the end of the dream will end up with the river. That means that God created you and put your shadow in the river. So it's different. Before somebody will catch you. But when the witch or the wizard have agent in the river as crocodile, he can catch you. You go and contact with the crocodile because your shadow in the river and the crocodile too is also in the river. So you contact the agent of crocodile to do something that you did. So the time that they chase you to come to the river, when you enter the river, you survive. But immediately you are coming and see this crocodile in the river, also doing like this to catch you, you won't enter the river there. You won't fall down. Whether you like it in the dream or not, you will never fall down. And the one chasing you back will catch you. They have agents inside the water.
Family, welcome to my YouTube platform. And if this is your first time, please subscribe to my page and also press on the bell so that you'll be in touch whenever I make any new upload. I have a man in my studio who claims he's a wizard. He goes by the name Amotiahene. And today he walked into the studio with a crocodile head. I don't know what he came here to do with this crocodile head. Help me welcome him onto our platform. Amotiahene,
Yeah, my
I
boss.
welcome you to our platform.
Thank you, sir. Good
How are you?
morning. Everything is fine.
Why do you feel good saying you are a wizard?
You know what I mean is that I can't hide myself. You knows me, others knows me. So only a person who don't knows me. So if I say something here that is not my work, or you knows I'm a witch, why will I hear and I came here to hide myself that I'm no witch? It will be like I'm a liar. You understand? But if I talk to you, doesn't mean that. If I'm saying that I'm a wizard, doesn't mean that if you're afraid of wizard, you will come to me to catch you or to do something bad for you. No, it's not like that.
No, because when you tell somebody you are a wizard, they want to run away from you.
Yeah, that's why I want to address the people to know. Because if I'm saying I'm a wizard, doesn't mean that you should run away from me.
It's evil.
Yeah, I know that we are evil. I know that we are evil. But the point that when you come and you also, you people too, may also have a evil spirit in you that caused by the witchcraft that created for you. When they create it for you and things are not making possible. We have a brothers and sisters and outside USA, Germany or America, and that place, America or UK. They are suffering from this issue. You travel to abroad and you think that things are going to be possible for you, no witchcraft. We are flying day and night. That's why night is there. Night is for us, the witch people.
I don't understand you.
I said
You said you know you are evil.
Yeah, I know I'm an evil.
You are a wizard.
Yeah, wizard.
And you are happy.
I have to be happy because I'm the family that I come from. That one that they used to treat us. But when you ask of my place, even single person will never catch in the town. Because if I'm able to catch or somebody in my family catch, they will tell you that, oh, this man is lying. There are people in Janga catching people there. So they always take them to Gamba. No single person in my family that they took to Gamba for a witchcraft, a witch.
So you people catches the witches.
Villages there. When you are there, some of them you just hear that there is a witch. You go and chop it. They will give it to you to come to the town to distract people or to distract people's happiness. Maybe you go and chop it and come. This person last insult me, so I will kill him. I will do this to the person. So we are also in charge of the town. When you go and drop your medicine to come and disturb the town, we want the town to develop. Because in town, before your village, your small village will develop. It's just the strangers will come to the village to make it develop. You people yourself cannot make it develop unless strangers come to the family, the village, the small village to make it extended. So now that our family, the chieftaincy in the town is for us, we want the town to develop. Everybody need good. If something special happened to my hometown, they will say that, oh, Nana Motia junior father was in charge when this thing, Nana Akufo-Addo or Bawumia come and create this. They will mention my brother, my father's name, oh, but very soon he will not be there. But when you wake up and you hear that my small father was a chieftaincy in Janga, before you remember, they will tell you that time they didn't give birth to you. This man was in charge of the chieftaincy in this town when they bring this. He ran up and down for Baume and Nana to produce this thing in this town. So when you even don't know my father, but that one will make you remember of my father. To hear that there were people here fighting for the town before they give birth to you.
Okay, now I want to find out. You brought a crocodile into my studio. Why?
I brought this crocodile, you know, it's also part of our work.
Crocodile head.
Yeah, crocodile head. You know, some of the witchcrafts, that's what I'm saying. If I'm more, it's my work. Because some people are there, they will want to against you with witchcraft issue. When they want to hate you, you know, they will take something, they will work on you, or they will send you to the river. Like the way, the sea, you know that I'm talking about. You know, when you like this, if they work you and give you to the sea, you can't survive.
Okay.
You cannot survive. Anything that you hold like this, water will do food or fire, food. That's why you have 20 cities today. When you just use one city and buy water, the rest of 19 cities, you will know what it earns. You always know that you spend it. But what is the benefits of the money that you spend? The 20 cities, what did you use it to buy? Somebody will have 10 cities, he buy a lot of things to benefit, but you 20 cities cannot benefit it. That's the part of the witchcraft, seriously. You can end up with the monthly salary 300 million a month, but you can't survive. Somebody is working 20 million a month. The person is doing better things more than you.
So you mean that
it's a witchcraft?
When you are under witchcraft attack,
yeah,
even when you have plenty
money,
property,
it will lose.
It will be wasted.
It will be wasted. And time will come, they'll just give you small sickness. You have 3 billion, 4 billion, $1 million. Within 3 weeks, the sickness will finish all the money. Whether you finish all the money and it will be okay, or you finish the money, you will not be okay. You still suffering. Because for life, you won't talk about money issue again. There is life before money. So sometimes when you are here, that's what I'm saying, my fully Malems and the pastors, sometimes they only need their money. You went and take somebody, some people are there, they don't take medicine, but they are powerful than the way you. Maybe you like this, you don't even take even cola cells, teach you as a spiritually. But I will try to do something to whatever I'm doing, it will come back and affect me. Because it doesn't eat your hand inside and eat back. If only you eat only here, and God accepts your prayers. Not no witches in the world can challenge you. Everything will be okay with you. But sometimes when the witchcraft also affects you, you pick a life that is okay for you, but it's not okay for you. It's affecting you. But you see that your life is okay, but it's not okay. That's why they also create and put for you to feel okay. But you have a brother, junior brothers or senior brother, they are making it. They take your destiny and making it. Your mother, maybe your father married 2 wives. You're supposed to be a billionaire in the family, whether you're a young boy or senior man in the family. The other mother side, if you want the children to be rich, and he looks like he people is going to make it in your mother's side, the works witchcraft against you. Whatever you see, it will come to the other family, the other mother side, for the children to say that, oh, this my senior mother or junior mother children, they are doing better, but you, your mother side, oh, you are just drinking alcohol, drinking weed, smoking things. When the way doing something that will not benefit your mother, when your mother see it only hits.
But now I want to, you know what, all that you are saying, I'm trying to understand what you are saying.
Okay.
I said, why did you bring crocodile head?
Okay.
And I don't know, is it the real thing?
Yeah, that's the real crocodile.
Because I can see the teeth down there.
Yeah, that's the real crocodile teeth. You know.
And what's this one?
This one is bush and
the horn.
Yeah, big cow, bush cow. bush. You know, we have bush cows.
Bush cow.
Yeah, bush cows.
Okay.
You hear them before.
Yeah, I've heard
Bush.
before.
They are cows, but they are in bush. They are also normal like the cow. As you see, you know home when you look at like home cows.
Okay.
But that's bush cows. You see them. They are different from the house own. Can't you see the body the way it's rotten?
Yeah, but what do you use this one for?
I use this one for that's what I'm saying. You know, there are some jobs things in the bush.
Somebody can give you job in
They
the bush.
in the bush. So if you give job in the bush, I have agent in the bush.
Hey.
So the cows and the job, the DF2 is there. So I have the agent there. So they work together to solve. Maybe you know they have a tree like this. There is so many things they work you and go and put it on top of the tree.
Okay.
So when they put it on the tree, then I will send them to go. If there is something down, I will use bush cow these things to work on it. So when you come in, there is something that can enter here. When I work, before you see the spirit inside, it will be here. But before I do, you not see anything. Something that they use to work against you and things are not possible. You already run more even and affect you. When I work, it will come here.
Is this real?
When I do like this, it will come out.
Yeah. Do you mean what you are saying is real?
It's real. That's my work. It's my work.
But you said you are a wizard.
Yeah.
So why do you need crocodile head and the horns of a bush cow?
That part, they are all part of that work. That's what. Even here, there is nothing that you are going to do. Even now, let's say that if I'm even going to fly to abroad, I have an agent at abroad. You see some place that you travel before. If you don't know, when you travel to that place, you'll be stranger too. You don't even know where to pass. Like Accra, you reach to circle, they say Accra, you take a car and go to Accra again. Circle is Accra. Then you are now taking Accra car because I don't know Accra. And there's nobody to show me in Accra. If I'm going to Labadi, I reach Accra, they say Accra, now take Accra car again. But I'm going to Labadi. So the same as this, if I reach the bush, there is something that I need. If I couldn't find the cow bush, will show me where it is. That's why everywhere you need to have an agent to be perfect to your work.
So you have agents.
Without anybody, let me tell you something, without anybody, you can't be somebody.
Okay.
Before I wake up, if I don't do like this, I cannot wake up.
No.
That's how it's said. So it doesn't mean that if I have bush cow in the bush helping me, it doesn't mean that I'm not powerful or I cannot solve the problem.
But now, I'm saying, if there's somebody watching us right now and the person says he or she does not believe what you are saying, is there anything you can do for the person to believe you?
I can do anything because through your work, if your problem solved, won't you believe me?
Yeah.
But I can lie to you and then I will do action here. The action will make you to come to me, but you won't achieve what brought you for me to solve for you. It's zero.
Yeah, it's zero.
It's zero. So it's better for me not to show the action to solve your problem for you. If I solve your problem today, you call a lot of problems, brothers that you have and you want to solve their problem, even 100 people. You give my contact to them. To contact me to solve their problem. If I solve their also problem, they also have a brothers and sisters that you don't know them. They will introduce me to them.
Okay, I'm happy I got you in my studio today.
I'm now come to this.
Okay, please talk about so we can end our conversation.
This crocodile head, that is what I'm saying. Everywhere, before you be somebody, you have to follow someone to be someone. So everywhere we have agent there. So river they have agent, which is crocodile. If they work your destiny, you are working things maybe posts like this MPship or parliamentary candidate, they are struggling for it. If they work and then put your destiny there, you will never make it. People will like you, but they won't vote you. If they even vote you, they'll be expecting like this election that we are coming to 2024. We know who is going to win. Yeah, I'm not voting. Since they give birth to me, I never vote. I'm a spiritual man. I'm not ready to vote anyone. I know who's going to win. I love everybody. But when you come to me to help you to, you can maybe me and you is going to look for the 2024 election, whether you or the other. So if I want to help you, you can be winning. Then I will take it off and give it to this man. This man can be winning. Then I will take it and give it to you. That one is spiritual power is against. Because if your power is not strong, if you don't have a strong malams, the voting day everybody will say, oh, this man will win this, but at the end of it, They will tell you that's why some people do not understand and they say they steal you. Spiritual steal you, not physically. They will use spiritual and steal you and steal your votes and give it to the others.
It's possible.
It's possible. They can vote you 100 and vote the person 90. Then the 90 I will come and draw 90. The spiritual will go and vote 10. Then remove 10 from your votes.
And throw it away. And vote 10 and come out to the 90. The person will get 100, you will get 90. But when there is time for vote, everybody is looking at you. You will win it, you will win it. At the end of 3 votes or 5 votes, that they steal me, they steal me. You are not powerful and you're looking for vote. You are not powerful and want to be a man of the territory there or wherever you are. You cannot. That makes you like, you have to think and know that what I'm doing, I have to be very careful. People are older than me or people are in their house. You are not respecting them.
Okay. I would say, I think we need to bring our conversation to a close.
Okay.
So I'd like you to look into the camera and say the last word you want to say to them.
Okay. This one crocodile is just a general crocodile. It's just a general. That's my agent in the river. So if they work and put your destiny or something that will affect your life, and they put it in the river, I will work through this crocodile. So whatever I am, then if I know that your destiny, or that's why sometimes some people are there, you have a dream that you are in the sea or the river. Sometimes you have a dream, you'll be feeling cold. You wake up, maybe your fan or AC is cool. That's why it make you like that. Your destiny. How do they call it? I forgot about it name. This one, no, the one that you follow, it follows you. This one.
TV stand.
No. The one that they call this one.
Taps.
Shadow.
Your shadow.
Your shadow.
Okay.
So if your shadow is in the river, that one they go create you and put your shadow in the river. So one time you have a dream, somebody is chasing you. By the end of it, you went and fall inside the river. Your shadow is in the river. That one there is better. When a witch is chasing you, by the end of it, you end up with river. Maybe somebody is chasing you, end up and go around to the swimming pool or a big river, unknown place. You know where you are. Maybe you ever have that dream before. If you don't have it, that means that your shadow is not in the river. Those people, not everybody having that dream. But when you have a powerful dream, which or some people are chasing you where you don't know where you are, by the end of the dream will end up with the river. That means that God created you and put your shadow in the river. So it's different. Before somebody will catch you, it will be difficult. But when the witch or the wizard have agent in the river as crocodile, he can catch you. You go and contact with the crocodile because your shadow in the river and the crocodile too is also in the river. So you contact the agent of crocodile to do something that you did. So the time that they chase you to come to the river, when you enter the river, you survive. But immediately you are coming and see this crocodile in the river, also doing like this to catch you, you won't enter the river there. You won't fall down. Whether you like it in the dream or not, you will never fall down. And the one chasing you back will catch you. They have agents inside the water.
Okay.
So that's my agent. So if they put your destiny or they work you against the river, you are in the river. Your things are in the river. So if I know they will catch you through the river, that's my agent in the crocodile. So I'll work on this. Whatever they chase you, this crocodile will not come out. You still come and put yourself inside the water and survive so that nothing will happen. Whoever do that, and I use that power to work again because of this crocodile, nothing will happen to you. That's why I have agent in the river. That's the use of this crocodile that I have it inside our shrine. We are using it.
Okay.
I was having something powerful to bring here, but I tried to make sacrifice and bring it, but I couldn't. But I'm praying that if I go, things are possible before I come back. If they agree, I'll bring it here. Black egg is inside our shrine there. Janga. Do you ever see the physical? Maybe you see it on phone, but you will not see it live. You have it. I'm supposed to bring it here to show people to know whether it's a general fake. You yourself will see it and confirm. But I tried to make the sacrifice and bring it, but they could not understand. Because since it's in that place, if inside the ring, if I go, the crocodile, the egg will be on top here or here. But I tried to bring it, but they couldn't. That's why I leave it. But if it God permit, next time when we are going to meet, inshallah, I will see what I can do and try my best to bring for people to see. There are a lot of things. God, there is my grandfather saying that if you didn't see, you didn't keep long. But when you keep long, you will see. If you keep long, you will see. But when you didn't see, that means that you're not going to keep.
Thank you.
No.
Yeah, family, this Amutia Hene. I've had conversation with him and he has spoken very well to us. And actually, I'm still in confusion because of the things he brought to the studio. Crocodile head, and he's a wizard, he's evil and all that. I will leave his contact down there so that when you want to call him, do a proper check, then pick his number and call him. Then again, I want to have your comments so I know how you appreciate our videos. Subscribe to this page and press on the bell so that whenever I make any upload, you'll be the first to be in touch.